Greencold keeps your cooling plant performing, efficient, reliable, and compliant. We understand that one size doesn't fit all. Instead, every client receives a tailored maintenance package designed around their specific operation, equipment, and goals. Our experienced engineers provide scheduled servicing, including 24-hour call-out cover and expert advice on efficiency upgrades. Our winter and summer-ready plans will help you stay energy-smart through the more demanding seasons with proactive maintenance. We'll help you plan and budget wisely, identifying risks, avoiding costly breakdowns, and ensuring regulatory compliance. Greencold works with you every step of the way, whether you're improving system performance, phasing out HFCs, or upgrading to greener refrigerants. With over 3 centuries of combined expertise in refrigeration and cooling, we're helping businesses across the UK stay sustainable, efficient, and ready for what's next. Greencold, keeping your systems cool, compliant, and always performing. Every day of the year.